Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. Welcome to a makeup video. I know जितना शौक आपको लग रहा है उतना ही मेरे को भी लग रहा है. I haven't done a makeup video since a year now, and lately I don't know how, but a lot of you asked me to do a signature makeup look. And if you have been following me for a while, you would know that I really like those natural and very skin-like finish sort of a makeup look. And this is what I do when I want to do a little extra. So this particular video is a glam signature makeup look. I have a very natural version as well. So if you are up for seeing that, please let me know. I would love to create it for you all. And yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this very wearable skin-like sort of a look, then please keep on watching. The first thing that I do before starting off my makeup is, regardless of washing my hand, I always use a sanitizer first, just to be, extra sure. And I have already cleansed my face with a mild face wash, and then I had applied a rose water toner. I always use a toner or a rose water, anything which will provide me with instant hydration and also maintain my pH balance. Then I go ahead and apply a moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. I like moisturizers which are on the hydrating side, that provide me with a little glow. Although I'm an oily skin type, my preference is that, and that's just how it is. Then comes the most crucial step, that is applying a serum. I always apply a serum. These days I've been loving the Dermaco's 10% vitamin C face serum for skin radiance, and this is how the bottle looks like. Now few of the key ingredients are 10% vitamin C, 5% niacinamide. It has hyaluronic acid, ferulic acid and ascorbic acid. Now vitamin C works best in combination with these ingredients. On its own, niacinamide is a skin restoring ingredient which fights dullness, scarring and acne. And vitamin C on its own is a brightening agent, and as we all know, it is such a good potent antioxidant. So overall, what hyaluronic acid also does is that it provides you with hydration and that glow. Plus, there is some sort of a tackiness which comes with hyaluronic acid, and that acts as a plus point when you apply makeup, because makeup sits on really well if your base is a little bit tacky, and it is just amazing to apply underneath makeup and normally also. If you use this product consistently, this product genuinely works. I've seen results and I'm absolutely loving it. Now, I am somebody who uses active ingredients on a regular basis. That is why I apply this twice a day, thrice a week. If you are somebody who's not used to using active ingredients, you can introduce this really slowly in your skincare regime, just so that you're sure that nothing reacts and everything. Also, patch test as usual is a must with any skincare product, and applying a sunscreen is a must after anything. Like, you have to apply sunscreen, that is no question. Now, one thing I love about Dermaco is that they are an honest brand. They disclose the percentage of active ingredients used in their product. Also, if you are somebody who's having sensitive skin type like mine, guys, this will not affect you. If you're wondering about the fragrance thing, it is so mild, almost negligible. And for the best part, I have a non-affiliate coupon code with them. You can get 20% off on their website if you use Shreya20. Also, these products are available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. All the details I will leave in the description box below and on the screen somewhere right here, so that you do not miss it out.
I am sat here thinking of you once again. Songs in my head now, they all make sense. Counting down the days to call you mine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. I am sat here thinking of you once again. Songs in my head now, they all make sense. Counting down the days to call you mine, mine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine, just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You loved you from the moment that we met. The sparkle in your eye, I can't forget. Every single day, you know you shine, shine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine, just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You are my
With that, we come to an end to this makeup video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below with any video requests or anything in general. I love reading your comments, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.